Hey everyone, I am here with another box. This one is Tasty Island Crate. This one is actually a food box for snacks from the Caribbean. This is actually really neat, especially because we homeschool, so we try to learn about different countries in our curriculum. So what other better way to learn about countries than with their food? It's really neat to get a box of food from a totally different country and just see what exactly they like to eat that's a little bit different or maybe a little bit similar to us. So this box is from the Caribbean, but it was shipped from the United States, so I did not have to wait like a month to get it. All of the products, though, are straight from the Caribbean, so I am really impressed. I wanted to go ahead and show you everything that is in this box. And it's not very expensive either to get one of these boxes. The cheapest one, I believe, is about $15.99. So, and I believe, I can't remember how many snacks that one actually holds, but that's not a bad price at all if you want to try something new. So, the first thing I got was Cheese Tricks. These look like big, huge Cheetos. And this says original Jamaican product, which was cool because we're actually learning about Jamaica, and that's why I wanted to get this box. And it looks like a lot of these are from Jamaica. So here's another Jamaican product, Cheesy Volts Monster Claws. Just the front of the bag is kind of creepy, but not sure why they would make it like that, but I bet it appeals to boys. And then I think this is Zoomers. These look like cheddar cheese wheels. Those are cool. So they must like a lot of cheese snacks there. Cheesies. More cheesies. So, and more cheese. Wow, they really like cheese snacks. Bigfoot spicy cheese snacks. I bet my daughter's going to have a fit for that. And we've got ginger biscuits. I bet those are good for when you have an upset stomach. And then we've got kettle cooked banana chips, chachitas. These are really neat. So their food isn't really that different from ours. And then we've got nougat, which is a candy bar. Peanuts, fudge, caramel, and milk chocolate. I can only imagine. And then rough top biscuits. These are really cool. And then the last thing is duplex cookies, which we have here in America too. And it says product of Jamaica. These are really neat. All of this stuff was made in the Caribbean. So here, I wanted to go ahead and show you. This is everything that came in this box, and I am really impressed. I got over 10 items, so that's awesome right there. I mean, I'm sorry, I did get 10 items. So I believe that that's considered the medium-sized box, but everything came straight from the Caribbean. Like I said, I didn't have to wait forever to get this thing. It actually only took priority mail 2 to 3 days for it to be delivered. And we're going to try out some of the Jamaican food to go along with our homeschool. So if you really like Caribbean food, if you've ever been and you just fell in love with one of their snacks, then I highly suggest that you try out Tasty Island Crate. Something else that's really neat is if you order a crate and maybe you want like all this stuff, but maybe you just don't want this one. Let's just say Cheesy Volts. Maybe you just don't want that one. You can actually email them and tell them, I want to replace something, and they'll replace it with another product for you. So I'm really impressed that they're actually willing to do something like that. So, and like I said, they're not expensive. This is great education for kids if you want to have them experience some new countries and their food and see what's similar to us, what's not similar to us, and just overall just have fun, or maybe you just like to try new foods yourself. So if you do, then check out Tasty Island Crate, and I'm going to have them linked in the description box.